This recipe is all about the broth that you're cooking the hot dogs in. So we're going to use vegetable broth, apple cider vinegar, soy sauce, mustard, and liquid smoke. Add your carrots and let them marinate. And then we're going to cook the carrots in the same broth. So add it all to a pan and then add enough water so the carrots are completely covered by the liquid. Then you'll just boil them until they're tender. From here you can transfer them to a grill pan or a grill and cook until they're nice and caramelized on the outside, and then serve with your favorite hot dog condiments. Call me crazy, but I like to serve these to people just to see if they'll notice the difference. Enjoy!